Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. This is Shantanu and I welcome you all to a very special session, and today we are going to discuss GK questions on the format of match the columns or match the following. So friends, कई सारे जो भी आपके जनरल अवेयरनेस के एग्जाम्स होते हैं, in almost all of them match the columns पूछे जाते हैं, and for example, especially in IIFT, TESS and CMAT, it's very essential to go through the topics or know what kind of questions can come. So friends, in this video, I have compiled questions from a diverse range of domains. So I'm sure it's going to be very exciting today. So please fasten your seatbelt. We are going to go on a topsy and turfy ride. Okay. So without any further ado, let's start this session. The first one is to match the stadiums of column A with places in column B. So कौन सा stadium किस place पे है हमें वो बताना है. पहला Sardar Patel Stadium. So friends, this stadium is in Ahmedabad. So first is B. Then Eden Gardens, it's a no-brainer, it's in Kolkata. Second is C. And then D.Y. Patil Stadium. So friends, this is in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. And Arun Jaitley Stadium, it is in A, Delhi. So friends, Arun Jaitley Stadium was earlier known as Firoz Shah Kotla. Okay, so if they ask you the older name, so please don't get confused. Arun Jaitley and Firoz Shah Kotla are same. And another important thing, Sardar Patel Stadium is the largest cricket stadium in the world. Okay, and all these stadiums are cricket stadiums only. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next, match the celebrities with brands associated in column B. So friends, हमको basically बताना है कौन किसका brand ambassador है. चलिए start करते हैं. So विराट कोहली. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं जो हमारे brands हैं उनको. Mountain Dew, no. Next is Wrong, yes. So Virat Kohli is brand ambassador for Wrong. Basically, Wrong is as far as I know, this brand is actually started by Virat Kohli only. Okay, so next, moving to second, Aamir Khan. So out of the options, PhonePe is the brand which is promoted by Aamir Khan. So 2D. Then Hrithik Roshan. So it's the easy one. You must have seen the ad. Hrithik Roshan is promoting Mountain Dew. And Thala, MSD, he's the brand ambassador of C Cars 24. Okay, I hope this is understandable, and please be very aware about all the things that going around you, even the advertisements, because questions can come out of anywhere. Okay, moving ahead, match the books with their writers or authors. Okay, so another important question. We are going to have a different session on books and authors, so don't worry about it. So first is Legend of Suhail Dev. So this was recently released by C. Amish Tripathi. He's the writer of the book. Then Overdraft, Saving the Indian Saver. Very, very important book. And it is written by Urjit Patel, who is the former governor of Reserve Bank of India. One Arranged Murder. So friends, this is by Chetan Bhagat, and as far as I know, this book is not yet released. It might be released in October. Okay, October 2020. Next is The India Way. So this book is very important. It has been written by S. Jaishankar. Very recently it has been released, and why it's important, because S. Jaishankar is the Foreign Affairs Minister of India. So please keep these books in mind. Okay, let's move forward. Next, so here we have to match the entries in column A with the headquarters in column B. So entries are basically your various companies. First is Walmart. Friends, Walmart is headquartered in Arkansas, which is a state in USA. So these are basically all the 4 states, and we have to tell in which state are these companies located, are having their headquarters. Next is JP Morgan Chase. So basically this is headquartered in New York, D. Next is Amazon. So Amazon is headquartered in A, Washington DC, and Ford is headquartered in Michigan. Okay, these are some of the important companies of US. Also, please note down all the tech giants like Google. I have not included it, but you must know about them. Google, Apple, IBM. Okay, moving ahead. Match the states or union territories with the governors in column B. Very interesting question. So first is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh governor is B. Anandiben Patel, and Meghalaya is A. Satyapal Malik. Why I have included Meghalaya? Because Satyapal Malik has very recently taken over as the governor of Meghalaya. Then Rajasthan, the correct answer is D. Kalraj Mishra, and last is Kerala. Answer is C. Arif Muhammad Khan. Okay, let's move forward. Match the dams of column A with rivers in column B. Now we are matching dams and rivers. So first is Indra Sagar Dam. Now Indra Sagar Dam is built over C. Narmada. Next is Hirakud Dam, and Hirakud Dam is built over Mahanadi D. Next, Bhakra Nangal, it is built over Satluj, and Tehri Dam is built over B. Bhagirathi. So friends, one more thing you should note down, that if you know 2 or 3 correctly the matches, then you can automatically get the fourth one. Okay, and even you also should check the options. I have not included option because it was not making much sense. So you should also check for options. Once you have got 1 or 2 correct, those you know, then go and check the options if you don't know any 2 or 3 of them. Okay, moving ahead. Match the currencies of column A with countries in column B. Very important. You should know the currencies of important countries. I have made a video on currencies, how to remember them. I have told you some tricks in that video. So I'm going to put its link in the description section, and also it will be on the top right corner of your screen. So please visit that video also. Okay. First is Bir, and Bir is the currency of C, Ethiopia. Dinar, it is the currency of A, Iraq. Shekel, it's the currency of Israel. That's a very important one. आपसे IIFT में ये एक बार पूछा जा चुका है, so please इसको याद रखिए. Next is Lira, and it's another important one. पूछा गया है, इसका correct answer है B, Turkey. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Match the dance form of column A with state union territory in column B. Important one, पूछा जाता है दोस्तों. फर्स्ट इज कुचिपुड़ी. सो कुचिपुड़ी इज द डांस फॉर्म ऑफ सी, आंध्र प्रदेश. बेसिकली ये सारी चीजें हम कभी ना कभी बचपन में पढ़ चुके हैं, बट हमें ये सब रिवाइज करना है दोस्तों, अगर हमें हमारे एग्जाम्स अच्छे से क्लियर करने हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज लावनी. सो लावनी इज फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र. रौफ, इट्स द डांस फॉर्म ऑफ कश्मीर, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. बिहू, इट्स फॉर असम. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. एंड आपको और भी कुछ डांस फॉर्म्स पता चले तो प्लीज उनको नोट डाउन कीजिए. अगर आपको ये भी नहीं पता थे सो प्लीज इनको भी याद रखिए. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Match the terminologies of column A with sports in column B. So here we are going to match sports terminologies. Another interesting one. So libero, it's the term used in volleyball. Basically a person who is a defender, as far as I know, defender is called a libero in volleyball. Then deuce, when your scores are equivalent or equal in tennis, then it's a deuce. So A, lawn tennis. Jab, it's kind of a punch in boxing. So correct answer is B, boxing. Birdie, it's a term used in golf. So I hope these are clear. These are the most important one which I have seen people getting these questions in exams. So इनको आप प्लीज याद रखिएगा. हम आगे भी कुछ ना कुछ सेशन कर लेंगे जिससे आपको और important terminologies के बारे में पता चल जाए. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Match the organizations of column A with headquarters in column B. First is World Health Organization. Friends, WHO is headquartered in B, Geneva. IMF, it is in Washington DC. Also note that World Bank headquarter is also in America, that is Washington DC. Next is Amnesty International, so it's in London. Basically it's matched correctly. Then World Economic Forum is in Colony. Okay, so D is the correct answer. So sometimes it can happen you are just have the answers in front of your eyes. Okay, so this is one such case. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Match the entries of column A with the SI unit in column B. So we are going to see various physical quantities और उनकी SI units क्या हैं. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा जनरल साइंस के टॉपिक में पूछा जाता है. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं. फोर्स का SI यूनिट होता है दोस्तों न्यूटन. सो फोर्स का करेक्ट आंसर है सी. प्रेशर का SI यूनिट होता है पास्कल. करंट के लिए होता है बी, एम्पियर. एम्पियर में मापा जाता है करंट. देन पावर, इट इज मेजर्ड इन वॉट. सो दीज आर द SI units. There are other SI units like Coulomb. Okay, it's for charge. Then you will have to find SI units for density, and SI unit is also for voltage. Okay, so all such things are important. Please go through your basic books. You will get these very easily. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Match the cups or trophies in column A with sports in column B. Okay, another sports related question. So Aga Khan Cup, it is related to C, hockey. The Ashes, very very easy, सबको पता होना चाहिए. It is D, cricket. और किन countries के बीच में होता है? Australia and England. Okay. Next is FIFA World Cup, no brainer, everyone knows. A. Football. Then Berna Belek Cup. So this was a difficult one. I'm sure most of us might not be knowing it, but since we have actually got the three correct answers, this is not a very difficult task. It's B. Table tennis. Okay, that's how you're going to attempt your match the columns. Okay. Next, match the World Heritage sites in column A with states in column B. So friends, आप देख रहे होंगे कि we are going through all the various diverse topic which we can cover in GK. So यही topics आपको एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं. मैं बस आपको एक ब्रीफ बता रहा हूँ कि हम कैसे इनको अप्रोच करें और किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. So Ajanta and Ellora caves, these are in Maharashtra and it's in option D. And Mahabalipuram temples, so it's in C. So friends, these are the World Heritage Sites. Okay, please remember these are very important. Next is Sanchi Stupa, so it's in Madhya Pradesh near Vidisha, and Konark Sun Temple, it's in Odisha in Konark. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, now match the airports with their cities. So Kempegowda International Airport is in Bangalore. Veer Savarkar International Airport is in D. Port Blair. Indira Gandhi International Airport, A. Delhi, very easy. And Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport, it's in B. Leh. Match the Indian Army commands in column A with headquarters in column B. अब commands क्या होता है दोस्तों? Friends, Indian Army को 7 commands में divide किया गया है. Okay, so we have here 4 commands. हमें उनके headquarters बताने हैं. So we'll discuss this. But आपको बचे हुए जो 3 remaining commands हैं, उनके हेडक्वार्टर्स आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. ठीक है. सदर्न कमांड, इसका हेडक्वार्टर है बी पुणे में, एंड सेंट्रल कमांड इट इज इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज इन लखनऊ, एंड नॉर्दर्न कमांड्स इट हेडक्वार्टर इज इन उधमपुर, एंड वेस्टर्न कमांड इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज इन सी चंडीगढ़. सो बचे हुए 3 कमांड्स कौन से हैं, उनका नाम बताइए और वो कहाँ पर हेडक्वार्टर है वो भी बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मैच द न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स ऑफ कॉलम ए विथ स्टेट्स इन कॉलम बी. सो हमें बताना है कहाँ पर कौन से स्टेट में ये न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स लोकेटेड हैं. फर्स्ट इज कायगा एटॉमिक पावर प्लांट. फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज इन बी कर्नाटका. कलपक्कम न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स, इट्स इन तमिलनाडु. नेक्स्ट इज नरोरा न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट, इट्स इन उत्तर प्रदेश. Now the most interesting one is Kakrapara atomic power plant. Why interesting? Because how do I remember it? मैं इसको याद कैसे रखता हूँ? आपको पता होगा कि गुजरात की एक फेमस डेलिकेसी है खाकरा. You eat it खाकरा. It's kind of a papad. So the same is Kakrapara. So it sounds like khakra. So that's why I remember it as Gujarat. See, Gujarat. So I hope this mnemonic will help you remember Kakrapara is in Gujarat. आगे बढ़ते हैं. मैच द निकनेम्स ऑफ कॉलम ए विथ एमिनेंट पर्सनैलिटीज इन कॉलम बी. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर आर सम ऑफ द निकनेम्स, वेरी फेमस निकनेम्स ऑफ इंडियन एमिनेंट पर्सनैलिटीज. हमें उन्हें मैच करना है पर्सनैलिटीज के साथ. ओके, सो मास्टर ब्लास्टर, वेरी इजी, सचिन तेंदुलकर, डी. स्वर कोकिला. फ्रेंड्स, हियर स्वर कोकिला इज द निकनेम गिवन टू लता मंगेशकर, and she is legendary singer in our country. and स्वर से आप इसको याद रख सकते हैं, आवाज. so लता मंगेशकर जी is the स्वर कोकिला of India. next is Nightingale of India. so friends, don't get confused here with Lata Mangeshkar because Nightingale of India is B. Sarojini Naidu. उनको उनकी पोएटिक इफेक्ट के लिए ये नाइटिंगेल कहा गया है, क्योंकि पोएम्स में भी ऐसे होता है ना फ्रेंड्स के हम किसी चीज़ को किसी चीज़ से कंपेयर करते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पर सरोजनी जी को एज अ नाइटिंगेल पोर्ट्रे किया गया है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, फ्रंटियर गांधी. सो ये कहा जाता है खान अब्दुल गफार खान को. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मैच द अवार्ड्स एंड ऑनर्स ऑफ कॉलम ए विथ फील्ड्स इन कॉलम बी. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर जो भी अवार्ड्स हैं वो किन डोमेन ऑफ स्टडी में या किस भी डोमेन में दिया जाता है हमें वो बताना है. सो पुलिट्जर प्राइज इज गिवन इन द डोमेन ऑफ जर्नलिज्म, एंड ग्रैमी अवार्ड्स आर गिवन फॉर म्यूजिक, एंड ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड्स दीज आर गिवन फॉर लिटरेचर, एंड फील्ड्स मेडल आर फॉर mathematics, any excellent work that you do in mathematics. Okay, so friends, one more assignment that I want to give you is, please tell me what are the different domains in which Nobel Prize are given. Nobel Prize के आप जो भी domains हैं वो मुझे बताइए. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next and another very important one is matching the national parks to the states in which they are located. So first is Kaziranga National Park. Friends, ये कहाँ पर है? It is in D, Assam. And Kanha National Park is located in C, Madhya Pradesh. Sundarbans, it's an easy one. It's located in B, West Bengal. Periyar is located in A, Kerala. I hope this is clear. And friends, मैंने नेशनल पार्क्स और वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज पर एक सेशन पहले से बना रखा है. So please, अगर आपने उसको नहीं देखा है, so do watch it. Its link will be in the description section and also on the top right corner of your screen. Moving forward, next is matching the companies with their logos. So friends, another very important type of question. So I'm sorry, I just forgot to mention the labels here, so I'll just quickly mark them. Okay, now friends, these type of questions are very important for IIFT and CMAT. So please, if you are aspiring for these exams, you should expect 1 or 2 such questions. Okay, so first is, let's see, Barclays. So Barclays symbol is C, this bird kind of a symbol, logo. And Barclays is basically in the business of financial services, banking and investment banking. Okay, then Under Armour symbol is this D. It's basically a sports apparel company. And next is Spotify. This is a no-brainer. I hope everyone knows this is B, the biscuit kind of a logo. Then Yamaha, another no-brainer, easy one. It's A, Yamaha. Okay, so friends, अगर आपको ये वाला क्वेश्चन अच्छा लगा है, so we can have a logo quiz type of session again. So please comment if you want a logo quiz video again. So friends, we have come to an end of this session. I hope the session has helped you and आपको पता चला है कि किन diverse domain से match the column पूछे जा सकते हैं. So please, इन डोमेन पर वर्क कीजिए. अगर आपको किसी डोमेन में प्रॉब्लम है, so do let me know. I'll try to make a video on it. And some of the domains are already having their videos, so go and search the channel. You're going to find a lot of treasure there. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more awesome content. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.